dedicated to all of you out there. Especially to my friends, relatives, this is all for you. My batch 79. Seems like it was yesterday when I saw your face. You told me how proud you were, but I walked away. If only I knew what I know today. I would hold you in my arms. I would take the pain away. Thank you for all you've done. Forgive all your mistakes. There's nothing I wouldn't do to hear your voice again. Sometimes I wanna call you, but I know you won't be there. Oh, I'm sorry for blaming you for everything I just couldn't do, and I've hurt myself by hurting you. Some days I feel broken inside, but I won't admit. Sometimes I just wanna hide, 'cause it's you and me. It's so hard to say goodbye when it comes to this. Ooh. Would you tell me I was wrong? Would you help me understand? Are you looking down upon me? Are you proud of who I am? There's nothing I wouldn't do to have this one more chance, to look into your eyes and see you looking back. Oh, I'm sorry for blaming you for everything I just couldn't do, and I've hurt myself. Oh, if I had just one more day, I will tell you how much that I miss you since you've been away. Oh, it's dangerous. It's all out of mind to try and turn back time. I'm sorry for blaming you for everything I just couldn't do, and I've hurt myself. But hurting you. Thank you.